The problem of finding the availability of the system reduces to finding the limiting probabilities of there being no customers in the system and also being one customer in the system. We showed in the problem that we were able to represent the stochastic process x of t and y of t as a continuous time Markov chain by using phase type distributions. With that, we also showed that the generator matrix for that process is as follows. So what we want to do now is use the Kolmogorov equations and the norming constraint to solve for these limiting probabilities. To do that, we have pi times g, where pi is going to be a vector of our limiting probabilities, times the generator matrix, and we set that equal to 0. We also have the norming constraint that the sum of these pi's, or the sum of the limiting probabilities, must be equal to 1. Expanding that out, that system of equations looks as follows. Now, one way to solve this is simply to take our vector g and replace the first column by 1s. And then our vector b, which is our vector of zeros, put that 1 in the first position. And that way we've taken this norming constraint and we've incorporated it into the system by tossing out the first equation and replacing it with the 1s. Then to solve for pi, we simply take the inverse of our G1 matrix and we pre-multiply that by the matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Once we do that and we solve, we get this following vector for the limiting probabilities. So again, the availability is going to be the probability of there being no customers in the system, the probability of there being one customer in phase 2 of service, or one customer in phase 1 of service. So we sum the first three together and we get 0.591, which is the availability of the system, or the probability that an arriving part for inspection will be able to be inspected on that machine.